Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for fitness and workout equipment business, easy and quick. So Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So here you can create your website. You can see templates from here. So here you can choose what your site's about. So for example here fitness, and you can describe more fitness and workout equipment like this. What are your shop goals? um, Sell products and physical business, promote an event or project, sell online courses about the fitness like this. Now let's continue. Here, how would you like to get started? You can build a custom templates with Squarespace blueprints, or choose a professionally designed website template. So you can choose this. Here you can enter your site name, type any name about fitness equipment, and here you can customize and build your homepage. So here you can build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So here you choose the intro section. You must choose it. You must choose a attractive intro section like this or like this, as you like. And here the product section. Also you must select attractive product section. Here you can choose the services section, about section, and social section, the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So let's continue. Here you can add page to your site, so you can add shop like this. Here you can choose the color palette, so you can choose some color or any color to uh, to relate it to this business, like fitness, like this or like this. This is more attractive. And here you can choose the font. I'm gonna choose this. So let's finish and let's continue. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you wanna continue and describe more your website, describe something about your website and choose the writing style. You can also skip from this. I'm gonna skip. So this is your home page right now. Here you can change the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this. Also you can make it like a desktop view. If you want to edit, click here. You can customize your home page from here. So for example, you can change this. Just click on it and click on it like this. here you can for example, welcome to our site uh, for fitness equipment, like this. So you can make it more attractive. Uh, you can make it bigger like this to attract people. So that's it. Here you can duplicate it if you want. You can edit it from here. That's it. Here you can change the text on this label. For example, you can change this um, like this. You can edit the design of it from here. So that's it. Now if you wanna edit some background here, just click edit section and go to the background. You can choose an arch from here, or if you wanna choose an image, so click here, add image, select from free image from here, fitness equipment, and search. So for example, you can choose one of these here. So I'm gonna choose this, just for example. You can choose whatever you want. This is for gym equipment. So this is the background right now. Like this. So if you want to add the logo, so you can select it from your library or from you can upload it from your from here. So that's it. Here you can edit the site title. You can change it if you don't like it. Also you can edit the elements. You can turn the button on and change the label here, the get started, and here you can customize your elements. So that's it. That's it for this part. I'm gonna continue to the next second part on the next video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in the next video in the second part.